In today's video, we're working on this 2017 Audi A3 saloon and we're installing an aftermarket ambient lighting system. Hi guys, it's Tim from Advancing Car. Hope you're all keeping very well. So, something a little bit different from us. We are massive advocates of genuine Audi equipment or Volkswagen equipment, but today we've sort of put that to one side because this customer was on a bit of a budget and really wanted some interior ambient lighting. It's a really cool car. It's a saloon. Looks pretty tasty, and he bought a kit off Amazon, which normally we wouldn't install, but we decided we were going to try and help him out because he couldn't do it himself, and we just wanted to help. Anyway, we're actually pleasantly surprised with it, and even though it is aftermarket, it's there fitting a particular budget, especially on a car like this where you can't have the Audi genuine stuff like this with Audi parts. So what we'll do is we'll just jump in and we'll quickly show you it off in the daylight. Let's turn that off. Right, so you can probably see it here. It's a fiber optic light bar almost, but it's like a flexible plastic which has got LEDs that then shine the lighting through. So Richard and James have carefully and professionally wired this all into the vehicle's lighting system, and it doesn't look too bad. So if I jump in, this is what we see. The nice red light bar that goes across, which is where the customer wanted it, and also down here on both sides of the central the center console. It comes with this little RF remote, and you can do things like changing the colors, so green, blue, orange, yellow, cyan, apparently purple, which is, I quite like the purple one. That's quite cool. You've also got a music function so that it changes colours and as you're listening to your music and all that. And James has just turned it off. What I might do is just jump in the other side of the car, go around, and as you can see, I'm talking and it's lighting up. So let's just set it to red because I think that looks the best. We'll open it up, and there we go. It doesn't look that bad, in all honesty. We're quite impressed with it. It's going to give that really nice ambient feeling when he's driving along. So let's just cycle the colours. We've got the green, we've got the blue. White isn't that white, in all honesty. We've got orange, we've got a form of yellow, and then we've got purple. Quite like the purple, as I said. So yeah, if you've got a car like this and you want something similar, I think it comes in around sort of the £250 mark when we take into consideration the kit and the installation, but obviously we'll work on that with you as part of our compatibility. So if you've got a car like this or any other car and you want to do something similar, make sure you get in touch with us. The website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, especially if you like videos like this, and maybe the next one we'll try and do a how to fit it video because I think it will look quite cool. And yeah, as always, hit that bell notification and you'll know when we next upload a video. Thanks for watching.